everyone, respected lecturer, Prof. Antariharan M. Hum, as a lecturer of the subject, respected audience, and all of my friends whom I love. So first of all, thank you for the opportunity given to me. My name is Muna Mawada, student ID 231230090 from the Faculty of Education and Teacher Training, State Islamic University of Sultan Maulana Hasanuddin Banten. So today I would like to present my research proposal entitled "The Effect of Roblox on Students' Use of English Game Vocabulary in Online Interaction: A Quantitative Study Among Roblox Players on Discord." So firstly, I would like to explain you about the introduction or the background of the study. Today, technology and the digital games is part of students' daily lives because one form of technology that is very popular among students is online gaming. Users not only to play games but also to communicate and interact with other players from different countries. As we can see in the center of the poster, Roblox players often communicate using English expression during gameplay. When they play Roblox, they communicate in English. So, for example, like "Don't kill me, nice try," or "Invite me," "Good game," "Respawn," "He's a cheater," but "Carry me please," and others. So, these expressions are examples of English gaming vocabulary that players use naturally while playing. Without realizing it, students are repeatedly exposed to English vocabulary through game instruction, mission, manners, and communication with other players. So, Roblox may function not only as entertainment but also as an environment where students acquire and practice English vocabulary informally. So next to the research problem, the research of the problem from this research is students frequently play Roblox. So the second is English vocabulary in commonly acquired during gameplay and online interaction, and the three is the influence of Roblox on students' use of English gaming vocabulary remains under. So the research objective from this research is to investigate the effect of Roblox on student use of English gaming vocabulary in online interaction. And then we going back to the previous of the study is the previous study showed that digital game can positively influence vocabulary learning. First is previous study showed that digital games improve vocabulary retention because when they play Roblox and communicate in English, they make say the English vocabulary and repeat the vocab, and that make easily to remember the vocabulary. And the second is game-based learning enhance vocabulary mastery. And the third is online interaction support language acquisition. And the fourth is games increase motivation and engagement because the learning process using game and digital game that create fun and enjoy learning, and then can increase motivation and engagement. So the last is games help improve communication confidence because when we play Roblox, can communicate with other players from another country, so that can improve the self-confidence between players. And then okay, and then we going back to the conceptual there are dependent variables. Firstly is in the independent variable x. The independent variable x is problem. The indicator for this variable include frequency of playing Roblox, exposure to English vocabulary, understanding gaming terms, gameplay activities, and gaming experience. And then the dependent variable y, student use of English gaming vocabulary. The indicator include vocabulary understanding, frequency of vocabulary use, familiarity with gaming terms, vocabulary used in gaming activities, use of English terms during gameplay, online communication, vocabulary exposure, and vocabulary application. So the framework from this research is the more students are exposed to English vocabulary while playing Roblox the more likely they are to be understand and use the vocabulary in online interaction. So and then next is unit of analysis. The unit of analysis is the study is a student who actively play Roblox and use English vocabulary during gameplay interaction. So and then students are selected because they represent one of the largest group involved in online games environment. They are frequently exposed to English vocabulary through instruction, teamwork, communication, social interaction, mission, reward, and communication with other players. And then next to the participant criteria sampling, the participant criteria is who active Roblox players and they have experience communication during gameplay. And the three is they are familiar with English gaming vocabulary used in Roblox. These often are important because the participant must have direct experience related to the variable being investigated. The participant will be recorded through readers communities on Discord application. And then Discord is selected because it is widely used by Roblox players to communicate and interact with other players. And then we go back to the methodology. The methodology firstly is using quantitative correlational research with survey design. And then the participant is students who actively playing Roblox and communicating in English among Discord application. And then the sampling technique uses a purposive sampling because it must be specific criteria related to the objective of the study. And then the instrument is online questionnaire using 5-point listers. 5-point listers is include strongly disagree, neutral, agree, and strongly agree. And then data analysis is using descriptive statistics including frequency, percentage, and mean score. And then the research flow is firstly we are looking for the participant among the Discord application, and then we share the questionnaire on the Discord among player Roblox, and then we collect the data, and the last is analyze the statistical analysis. Okay, we next to the data analysis technique. This is using the descriptive statistical analysis. The collected data will be analyzed using descriptive statistics. The analysis include frequency, percentage, mean score. So the analysis focus on frequency of English gaming vocabulary used, interaction, interaction in Roblox and distort student perception of vocabulary learning through online games after the statistical collection are complete. The researcher will be interpret the result to determine whether Roblox influence student use of English gaming vocabulary. And then the hypothesis of this study based on the conceptual framework that the first is one is there is a significant influence of Roblox on student use of English gaming vocabulary. And then H0 or H0, there is no significant influence of Roblox on student use English gaming vocabulary. And the last is about the significance of the study. The first thing is theoretical contribution. The contribution contributes to study of informal vocabulary acquisition through digital game. They study English vocabulary through informal way using digital game. And then the practical contribution is provide insight for teacher to integrate game-based learning strategies into English language education. And then when we to be a teacher, we can integrate the game-based learning during learning environment. So I think maybe enough that the study is investigate whether Roblox, which is often viewed merely as a game, can actually contribute to student use of English gaming vocabulary through authentic online interaction. Through the study, I hope to provide evidence regarding the educational rationale of Roblox in supporting English vocabulary development. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. So I welcome any question and suggestion. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.